Vim could not load library python27.dll. I need Windows 7 plus Vim plus Python for writing Vim plugins. Tried everything. Reinstalled Vim. Uninstalled all my 64-bit Python versions and installed 32-bit ones. Reinstalled Vim again. Restarted computer. Punched desk and keyboard. Restarted computer.
Okay, here it goes. For some reason installing Cream fixes it. Cream.sourceforge.net. Interestingly enough, Cream includes a regular version of GVIM, so I can use just that.
Are you sure that you installed the same version of 32-bit Python that Vim was looking for? I see no reason that this wouldn't have fixed your problem, unless you somehow had a Vim exe built without Python support. Anyway, I had precisely this problem, and the obvious thing to me was that my Python DLL was x64 whilst I had 32-bit Vim. The solution for me was simply to build a 64-bit version of Vim. I much prefer upgrading Vim to downgrading Python. The arguments I sent to the make file were: I then replaced my original 32-bit Vim.exe with the 64-bit one I just built. Everything worked perfectly. If you are worried about the hassle of the build, don't be. It was very straightforward using Visual Studio 2010's compilers and running make from the appropriate Visual Studio command prompt. x64 cross tools. I can send further instructions if needed.
I had this problem with Vim 7.2 looking for the python25.dll. This was fixed by adding the path to the python25.dll file, c:\python25 / on my system, to the path environment variable.
Diagnostics. Column version will show you if you have 32-bit Vim or 64-bit. Python.exe will show you if you have 32-bit or 64-bit Python. Resolution. Now it's up to you to choose either 32-bit Vim plus 32-bit Python or 64-bit Vim plus 64-bit Python. Otherwise it won't work, complaining with the error you quoted. NB latest 64-bit Vim cannot be downloaded from the download page anymore. For some mysterious reason now there's a new special page for that. This URL